Guys, so I've had these braids in my hair for about 2 months now, and as you can see, they need a little touch up, and so I'm getting ready to wash them. So I'm gonna use that pink glove that you've seen, exfoliating glove, and that Dove conditioner, and I'm just gonna rub this all through my hair, very gently, rubbing my scalp, making sure I'm getting contact with my scalp and with the conditioner as well as the glove, and I can feel it on my scalp. It feels so good. And yes, I really do believe in keeping your scalp clean while you have the braids in your hair. But honey, it's been a while since I washed these braids. I think I washed them when I first got them, and now it's been about 2 months. I just been very busy, having a lot of things to do on my to-do list, and so Mother's Day is this weekend, and I just thought about why I just don't go head on and refresh these braids up. So right here, I'm, getting some conditioner and making sure I'm working that all the way down the braid from the top, from my scalp all the way down to the end of the braid. It smells so good. It's going to clean the whole braid. I work with babies, and a lot of times they like to, touch on your hair, and especially if it's hanging. And so, me doing this is even hygiene, because dirt could be in those braids and actually getting into my skin. I don't even want to think about it because I try to do my self-care routine and keeping my face washed. You guys know that. And so, yeah, it's just about cleanliness to me. And so I just got to clean my whole self tonight, from top to bottom. And I'm just going to, after I get through rubbing this in my hair, and it feels so good, y'all. After I get through doing this, I'm just gonna step into the shower and go ahead on and take my full shower. And then I'm going to let the water go through my hair like I'm washing. Okay, so I'm freshly out of the shower. My hair is wet, and we're going to be using, in this video, we're going to be using Lighter Body Gem Curlers and your favorite comb. Okay. So my braids are freshly washed. You guys can see they're heavy because they're wet. So first I'm gonna go in with some Lighter Body. I'm gonna do this first, and then I'm gonna wrap the edges, and then I'm going to let's see, I gotta think about this. First, we can go ahead on and retwist. So I'm gonna take each piece and I'm gonna try to get the part clean as I can. And retwist this with the jam. And I'm going to twist that with my hand, like so. Okay, see that? How that one is. And this. And twist it, and then you see it's gonna look like that. Okay, so those two are fresh. And that's the third one. These are more so to the front, so you don't really have to like do a whole bunch of parting. Yet you do want to get it close to the part that you had before when you first got your braids in. And I was gonna try the crochet method, but my hair is, so soft that I did not want to take the chance of losing no hair on my head. So I'm just, doing this from a perspective that I think that's going to work for my hair type. Maybe thicker hair will take out the strain of crocheting, but I myself can't do that. So yeah. And I took one of these braids out of my head. So now I have like an extra hair piece that's hanging. So I'm gonna have to try to come up with something of how to reintegrate that hair back into braid or something. But yeah. Okay, now that I got everything twisted that I wanted to retwist, I think I'm gonna go ahead and retwist this braid right here. But I'm going to use some Lotta Body all over the braid. Okay, so this is how we looking. This is how we looking. That's how we looking. Yeah, that one piece I have back there, don't look at that, but yeah, this is how we looking. And it's not really curled, so because it's still kind of wet, you can see the wetness on the thing, but if I plait it up in the morning or dip it in some hot water, it'll be curled, but that's fine with me, how it is. But it look much better. My scalp is cleaned. Everything. It's much better than what it was. It's clean and my scalp is not itchy. And like I said, that one piece of hair is, I wrapped it around the braid, but I shouldn't have took the braid out. So I took the braid out because it was hanging on the edge. But now I'm paying for it. And I can't get to like I needed to do, but this is it. The braid refresh. Yes. Smells good. Look good. It's good.